Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. So, let's start. At first, open the Microsoft Teams application. This is my MS Teams accounts. Now, I create a meeting link to show how to share my screen in a team meeting. Click Start Meetings. You can copy and share your meeting link from this option. I join my created meeting session. Here you can see some basic options in a team meeting, including chat, people, react, camera, sound, raise hand, notepad, etc. Every option has a different reason. Same as we can see share options here. If you want to share your screen in a team meeting, then you need to select the share options. There are two options for sharing your screen. One is your screen, and the other is your opening all windows. You can see, I opened 7 windows, which I can share now. Now I selected YouTube, Windows to share with all participants. Same as, we can share all open tabs or windows in Microsoft Teams meetings. After closing the running window share, you can select another window or tab, as per your meeting topic or requirement. Remember, only the selected tab is shared with all participants, another is not shared. You can see a yellow border in your shared screen area. Friends, I hope after watching this video, you can easily share your screen in Microsoft Teams meetings. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new and updated technology-related videos.